Alright, this is part 2 and it's going to be the installation video. So this is my helmet, Bell DLX, and it's an XL size. So I took 2-3 hours to completely wash it, clean it, and ready for this installation. And this is going to take some time, I guess. So let's get started. First, let's remove the visor. So what we have, these are the list of items we have here for the installation. But first let's remove the cheek pads and everything. Here in this helmet we have the intercom port. So I have checked many videos, but I don't see anyone shown how to install the Cardo or Sena installation on the existing intercom port which is available on the helmet. So usually they put a clip here or paste the cardle here. So now we are planning to get it done here in this place. It's the dedicated place for the communication intercom port. So let's give it a try. I'm not sure how complex it is going to be. Reason because if we have the mount or the clip pasted over here, somewhere here, right, it will be visible outside. So we are going to put it completely inside like this. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, so this area will be exposed. Maybe when there's a rain, I don't know whether the water will enter in, but I wanted to utilize this intercom port instead of mounting it outside. Because if I mount it outside, right, this cable will have to travel this way and it will be visible. If I'm going to mount it this way or using this intercom port, my cheek pad will cover this area. Okay. So first what I need to do is we have this velcro, round velcros here, 1, 2, and this is a different type of velcro, but I wanted to use this one. So on the other side we have there's a sticker, so we can paste it here so that I guess it is visible. So yeah, so we can paste it here so that this speaker will get attached in this place. So there's a provision which they have given on both the side. Hope it is visible. So here, okay. But before I do that, I found something interesting on the cheek pad. There is a hidden space where I can insert the speakers. So I'm just thinking, instead of pasting it there, we can insert the speakers in this place like this. It fits in very good. So I'm planning to use this part. So so this is going to be my left side and this is on the right side. So right side I need to use the long wire, okay, so that I will have some space like this. It goes in like this. Perfect. Okay. So this is how it looks like. It's very tight. So now there's no visible wires outside, just because of this intercommunication port which we had in the helmet itself. So this used to be there, so I have just removed it. Now we have installed this Cardo here. What's next? Okay, so like I said, I was planning to use DJI Mic 3. So the plan is to set the mic here in this place. One, two. Perfect. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So I'm not going to use this mic, neither this one. Probably if required, what I'll do is I'll use this Velcro and I'll paste it somewhere here in this place. I hope it is visible here. And then connect this mic like this. All right. And then use the mic port which was visible here, so like this. So my plan, just leave it like this so that I can use the DJI mic, wireless mic here. So let's mount this Cardo. That's it. It looks nice. This is how it looks like. There's no visible wires hanging outside. So if I wanted to remove, I just press this button, slide it out. That's it. Thanks for watching.